Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel representation at corporate event. Digital Unplugged, viewers and subscribers. Teejay, big up yourself, my G. We have to talk about the Uptop Gaza performance. Yes, we have to mention it. And amidst Teejay going through some personal issues, loss of two of them close friends, them viewers and subscribers. And even though that has taken place, he's still forward out to come deliver what we can say is a spectacular performance of the Uptop Gaza track. I'm not going to say what go on there, we will continue reason. Look and listen.
The chips are manticaler, then me move the cargo. Read them up like Nostradamus. What them fool and ignoramus. One of the claim them look like 31 days they work in a armor.
As I said, one thing we have to say, we hear some artists that make some talk, but the facts is some artists can't even forward out and give us a rendition of them own track and actually sound like the track. We have to talk about that. Dancehall music and Jamaican music overall is still based around a live band. Know what I mean? And very few artists have managed to can actually perform in front of a live band. Even though this performance was not an on-stage performance in front of fans. Well, fans were watching, it was a live performance, of which Vybz Kartel is the pioneer. If you don't want to see some other artists internationally have done this before, but locally, Vybz Kartel is the pioneer of a live streamed satellite performance. Talk no man. Talk of Vybz Kartel for see. Now, as I'm say, performance wise, Teejay is definitely an artist to show we say, yo, him have talent. I would mention that because some of the artists them we are make some claims. While they might have some sounding of a lyrical prowess, they don't have the talent, the raw talent. Teejay have that. Teejay have that, viewers and subscribers, and Vybz Kartel definitely. Even though him another person will bring Teejay out there and say, yo, the artist, it is definitely the artist we're gonna say, yo, these artists have talent. I wonder if you notice, these young dancehall artists have talent. Now for now make some talk, but you not the youth them. You not get the youth them a feature. You not make an album, so you can't get the youth them a feature upon the album. But you not make some talk about dancehall. What have they done for dancehall? Teejay is an artist. You have to big him up. And Vybz Kartel see some of the same things they make. Majority of fans see in a Teejay and his style of music. It is authentic. The conviction we have when him delivering performance. Him believe what he must say, and that make you believe where you are here. Some people now have that conviction. It look like some people didn't write the moon song. That's a reason for a different time. One thing alone that I say, the Vybz Kartel did it. Hey, if the teacher was there, but good for the representation overall. You know what I mean? Good for the representation overall. Especially say, as I said before, Vybz Kartel is definitely the pioneer of this style locally. And see it now, at this point in time, I guess that the only way for us to see a live performance now, the only way for fans of any artist right now to see a live performance is if it is streamed. And then they're nowhere near the venue. And there is no venue, as a matter of fact. The venue is wherever you are at. Very innovative, very creative. Vybz Kartel is a true visionary, viewers and subscribers. And when we say true visionary, some people in this day and age, they even grasp the concept and majority of the groundbreaking innovation the Vybz Kartel bring to dancehall music. From the lyrical content to the production level. Because enough people are talking about the fusion sound, trap dancehall, them a get all kind of name. With Vybz Kartel, the artist that we are say, yo, it's not about dilute or watering down dancehall. It's about the evolution of the sound, capitalizing on the strong foundation laid by the veterans and the legends in the game already. But what we're not gonna say, we're not gonna bring nothing new and innovative to the genre. So they're gonna stay away there. Enough people say the glory days of dancehall music was in the 90s. That was because during the 90s there was a collaborative effort to put out music. But then again in the 90s you have artists that sound like artists. In this day and age, regular people hear some song from the 90s and call some artist name and people say no, another artist say is the next artist. And they must say, well, the song sound like, and they must say, yeah man, in that time emulating the dominant sound was the strategy of dancehall artists. Dancehall has far away since then. But guess what going on? It is unsupported. So when people bring new innovations in the game, instead of supporting the innovations in the game, people actually try to say, yo, what is? It's not gonna work. But in this day and age, look what go on in the music. The younger artists are the artists who keep the genre going, alongside Vybz Kartel himself. But majority of the people who were unsupportive of not only these young artists, but the style of music were dominant right now. All them do stand up and watch. Who not stand up and watch and try to get themselves involved because they realize it's lucrative. And dancehall music's popularity is growing like, yo, it's hard to measure it at this point in time. Some people even say, yo, Afrobeat has reached its limit. Because you know, when Afrobeat take off, you already have so much people from Africa where they're all over the world. Them gravitate to it and they play all over the world right away. And them start the features with majority of the big artists them right away. So, you know, it's almost like Afrobeat has already been commercialized in some way, form, or, you know. But dancehall music is still raw and uncut. Something about that needs to fix too. Because I notice that some of these producers and production houses now mix the song them. Whether or not them can't mix the song them, they need to go out there and employ some engineers that can mix the song them and put out world-class productions. No wonder dancehall is being overlooked if the music still sound like, say, yo, alright, the artist record this and just put it out there. It is not the artist's job, viewers and subscribers, for mix and master music. That is the job of the production house. So while the artist might put out good music, creative lyrical content, the production houses are failing the artist. I'm just at the time to point out that. But that track here, the performance here, definitely something we're going to remember. Teejay put a mark on the game. Some of the artists are called Teejay name. Look if you will ever see them do no form of performance like this. Look for them. Yeah, now I go see. Them they ever want to put out music much as they can perform. Them not care about the music on that level. You hear them say? Them all about the dollar. While that is good and fine, always remember say, yo, anything we are do, we are profit from. If you always a nurture and a give back. Because remember, this is where you earn from. So you can only earn more if it gets bigger and more lucrative. And if you are a part of the people who keep it stagnant and at least you earn from them, so will your income become stagnant as well. So always remember, anything we are a part of, the growth of that is good. Because then hopefully by God's blessing you will also grow with whatever you are involved with. Just food for thought. Just food for thought. Enough of these young artists we have found out, work on the performance aspect of what I want. Don't just try to be a recording artist, try to be a performing artist as well, because that is a big factor in any musical career. You have to go out there, go tour, perform. Best of the dollars, they have to go out there, go tour and perform. I repeat it again. I mean, big up Teejay. Gaza Nation, you know there's something go. Vybz Kartel representation at Corporate Jamaica. Yeah, they just sell Unplugged. The teacher was not there, but the songs were there. Remember, man, Vybz the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon. And then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content. That's when fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Drop a like on the blog for me like rate. Share icon is in close proximity. Share the video. Tell a friend for tell them sister and them brother them. Comment section always open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You might know more settings for me. We don't need no ladder and my sentiments for you and theirs if we don't live, love, and prosper until the reason again.